Hari Om, dear children. I am welcoming you all for today's science class. Before we start the class, I request all of you to sit straight, close your eyes, and do the prayer. Get ready to do Om chanting 3 times. Breathe in. Om. Breathe in. Om. Breathe in. Om. Sahana bhavatu, Sahanau bhunattu, Saha viryankaravavagai, Tejasvinavati tamastu mavid vishavahai. Om Dishantihi. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. I hope you're all ready with your classwork note, pen and pencil. Dear children, today we are going to see about an interesting topic called plants. In your lower classes, you have studied about plants. So you have seen different parts of the plants as roots, stems and leaves. And you have learned many concepts under shoot system and root system. But in today's class, you are going to learn some interesting facts about plants. So, in today's class, you are going to know about how plants reproduce its own kind and to identify the different parts of the flower and also to identify and differentiate unisexual and bisexual flowers. So today's topic are plants reproduction, parts of flowers, unisexual and bisexual flowers, pollinators and pigments of flowers. Let us learn one by one in detail. Children, we all know that plants are useful to us in a number of ways. Plants produce their own food. At the same time, they are used as food by men and animals. So we are eating green leafy vegetables and we are giving food to goats and cow. Then plants are not only used as food but also as medicines. Almost all parts of the plants are useful to us. As a natural source, they are beautiful and pleasing to our eyes. They release oxygen, which is essential for our survival, into the atmosphere. Some plants grow in our surroundings naturally, but some are grown by us. So, we need to know about plants which are useful to us in many ways. Let us study some more interesting facts. The first interesting fact is reproduction in plants. So, what is this reproduction? Reproduction is a process by which new individuals of the same species are produced. Here we are talking about the plants. Both plants and animals reproduce. The flowers perform the function of reproduction in plants. So it is very clear. The flowers perform the function of reproduction in plants. So what is reproduction? Reproduction is a process by which new species are nothing, new plants are produced. So how does the plants reproduce? The plants reproductions is performed by flowers. So, there are two kinds of reproduction in plants. Those are asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So, if we talk about asexual reproduction, new plants are produced from roots, leaves, stems and buds. Look at this picture. So in this picture you can able to see a new plant has emerges out from roots, leaves, stems and buds. Thus this kind of reproduction we call it as a asexual reproduction. So, the next reproduction is sexual reproduction. How do sexual reproduction takes place? Sexual reproduction takes place by seeds. So, what is sexual reproduction? In sexual reproduction, new plants emerges from seeds. So, in order to know how seeds are produced, we must know about the different parts of a flower. Let us learn different parts of the flower from the following.
Today's topic, parts of flowers. They smell so good. They are the most beautiful part of the plant. Yeah, they look so lovely. I love flowers. Let's make a flower by magic. You can do anything. Not everything, but I can make a flower. Let's start. Yeah, let me first bring some sepals. You know, these sepals protect the bud till it opens. Sepal protects bud of flower till it opens. Now bring petals, most beautiful part of flower. Aren't they attractive? Yes, they are. They attract insect towards the plant. Petal attracts the insect towards a plant. Here comes the filament. Bring few anthers too. Oh yeah. These filaments and anthers are male parts of the flower. Jointly, these are called stamen. Male parts, stamen, anther and filaments. Now comes the female parts. Female parts are stigma, style and ovary. Oh, I know. All these female parts are called carpel. You're right. Also put nectar here. Oh, I forgot. Here it comes. Let me show you something. Wow, these are so bright. You know why flowers are so bright? So that garden looks beautiful. You're right. But they are also bright so that they can attract insects and birds towards them. If birds and insects won't come, the anther won't fall in stigma. It is not anther. These are pollens which are there on anthers. What is pollen? Jimmy, these are powder-like things. They get stuck to insects' wings. And then pollen falls on stigma. From stigma, it goes into style. From there, it enters ovary where there are small eggs. Pollen and eggs combine together to make fruit. My teacher told me that this is called pollination. Correct. This pollen entering ovary is called pollination. And fruits and seeds are made because of this. So new seeds are made due to pollination. Pollination is very important. And due to pollination, new seeds are made. And new plants come to the world. Oh, see, a bee is coming to drink the nectar. See, some pollen is sticking on her wings. Oh, now it has fallen down in stigma. Oh, these are seeds in the fruit. Yes, from these seeds only, new plants comes up. Oh, if I eat them, then plants would come in my tummy. No, seeds need water, sunlight, and nutrients from the soil to grow. Let me put it in the soil. Yeah, a plant would come out after a few days. Can't you do it today? Okay, let me try. Oh, flowers are very useful. Yes, you get beautiful flowers, fruits, and seeds for the new plants. Flowers give us fruits and seeds for new plants. Let's see something more. Oh, this is sunflower. Why it is called sunflower? Because its shape is like a sun. Oh, this is moving. Yes, plants show movement. See the sunflower move as per sun's directions. Do all plants show movement? Yes, all plants show movement, but we can see most of them. Plants move as per sunlight. Can you show me some other plants which shows clear movement? My magic wand would show this. Okay, try to touch it. Oh, it shrinks. I think it is shy. Yes, if you touch this, it shrinks. That is why it is called touch me not. Let us revise now. Male parts are anthers and flamens. Female parts are stigma, style, and ovary. Yes, when anther fall in stigma, it goes down to ovary, where reaction happens and fruit is made. Now, I can also make fruit from flowers. I would take anther and would put it in stigma and fruit would be made.
My dear children, you have understood flower is the reproductive part of a plant. So it is a modified shoot. There are 4 basic parts that are present in the flower. Those are sepal, petal, androecium, gynoecium. Once again, the 4 different parts of the flowers are sepal, petal, androecium, gynoecium. The first part is sepal. So what is the sepal? It is the outer part of the flower. It is small and green in color. It protects the bud in the earlier stages. The next part is petal. It is often colorful and it attracts the insects. Then we have to know about this androecium. So androecium is the male reproductive part of the flower. It is composed of stamens. Each stamen consists of a stalk called a filament and a small bag-like structure called anther at the tip. The pollen grains are produced in the anther within the pollen sacs. So, androecium is the male reproductive part of the flower. Let us learn about gynoecium. So, it is the female part of the flower. So, it has 3 parts. Those are ovary, style, stigma. So, the gynoecium have 3 parts: ovary, style, stigma. The ovary contains the ovules. Once again, gynoecium is a female part of the flower, that is the girl flower. You have to know more about unisexual and bisexual flowers. Let us learn unisexual and bisexual flower from the following video.
Unisexual and bisexual flowers. You must have seen that the flower of China rose has both stamen and pistil. Such flowers in which both male, that is androecium, and female, that is gynoecium structures are present, are called bisexual flowers. Other examples of plants with bisexual flowers include the lily, rose, horse nettle, jasmine, tweed peas, African violet, passion flower, etc. When only stamens or carpel is present in a flower, the flower is said to be unisexual. Unisexual flower may be therefore pistillate, that is female, or staminate, that is male flower. In these flowers, reproductive structure is either functionally male or functionally female. Few examples of unisexual flowers are bottle gourd, sponge gourd, watermelon, cucumber, melons, bitter gourd, papaya, etc.
You have understood with the concept of unisexual and bisexual flower. You look at the second flower. It is a unisexual flower, which is otherwise called as imperfect flower, also called as pistillate. In this flower, only one, that is either gynoecium or androecium, is present. Both androecium and gynoecium will not present. If you look at these kind of flowers, you can able to find only androecium or only gynoecium. So these kind of flowers, we call it as a unisexual flower. These kind of flowers are present in corn, papaya and cucumber. If you look at the first flower, it is a bisexual flower. In this flower, both androecium as well as gynoecium are present. Children, I repeat, if you look at this first flower, both androecium, the male reproductive part, and gynoecium, the female reproductive part of the flower, both the parts are present in a single flower. So it is called as bisexual flowers. Example for bisexual flowers are mustard and rose. The next topic we have to discuss about pollinators. So, to attract the pollinators, example insects. Plants are bright in color and produce smell in their flowers. Plants which are pollinated by the honey bees and butterflies have sweet scents and bigger colorful petals. Examples: sunflower, pumpkin, pigments present in petals give them different colors. Plants which pollinated by moth and bats release their fragrance mostly at night and have colorless petals. Example for this are mango, banana, guava, jasmine. Here is a table which gives you the names of a pigment present in the petals. We all know that the flowers have different colors. The colors are because of the presence of pigmentation. So, here are the pigments which gives you the respective colors. So, anthocyanin is a pigment which gives red, pink, blue, purple colors to the flowers. We all know that most flowers like roses, pink rose, red rose and lilies are here is the table which gives the names of the pigments present in the petals. We all know that the flowers are in different colors, Those colors are because of the presence of the pigment anthocyanin, carotenoids, and chlorophyll. We all know that chlorophyll is a green color pigment which gives you green color. So it is very easy. Apart from that, you must know about carotenoids which gives you yellow and orange color. Once you see the yellow or orange color flowers or fruits, you must know the pigment carotenoids is present. And anthocyanin is a pigment which gives you red, pink, blue and purple color. Dear students, do you know Kurunji or Neelang Kurunji is a shrub that is found in the Chola forest of the Western Ghats in South India. Nilgiri Hills, which literally means the blue mountains, got their name from the purple blue flowers of Neelang Kurunji that blossoms once in 12 years. So, name the flower which blossoms once in 12 years, that is Kurunji flower. What flower is it? Kurunji flower. Let us recap today's class. In today's class, you have learnt about plants reproduction and different types of reproduction as sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Then parts of the flower. So you have learnt sepal, petal, androecium and gynoecium, and also about the pollinators and pigments. Now you can understood how plants reproduce its kind. You're also able to identify which type of reproduction the particular plant is doing, and you can able to identify what are the parts that are present inside the flower. And by knowing all these things, you must give importance for plant growth and flowers. So please do save flowers and trees. Thank you. Hari Om.
And become aware you want to be grateful to your eyes. And you want to do something good for your eyes. Open your eyes. Look towards the right and towards the left. Towards the right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Close your eyes. Feel your eyes. And with each exhalation, imagine you send relaxing energy, light energy from your abdomen to your eyes or through your eyes. Open your eyes again. Look up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Close your eyes. Feel your eyes. And with each exhalation, send relaxing energy from your abdomen to your eyes and through your eyes. Open your eyes again. Now look to the upper right, lower left, 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 upper right, lower left. Close your eyes. Send relaxing energy to your eyes. Open your eyes again. Look towards the upper left, lower right, upper left, lower right, upper left, lower right, upper left, lower right, upper left, lower right. Close your eyes and send relaxing energy from your abdomen towards your eyes. Open your eyes again and make no circular movement clockwise. Look up and then slowly to the right and to the bottom and to the left and up to the right, down, and continue a few times. Try to make it complete circles and not just squares. The practice also helps to harmonize the two hemispheres of the brain. Now, other direction, counterclockwise. Do slow conscious movement. And slowly close your eyes. And feel the relaxing energy of your abdomen go into your eyes. Now open up your eyes again and stretch out your right arm, thumb, the level of your eyes. Look towards your thumb. Look far away. Back to your thumb. Now look towards the tip of your nose, to your thumb, far away, your thumb, tip of your nose, thumb, far away, thumb, tip of your nose, thumb, far away, thumb, tip of your nose, thumb, and far away. Close your eyes, lower your hand, breathe a few times, and send relaxing energy into your eyes and through your eyes. Now, lift up your hands a little bit and rub your palms, warming up your palms and increasing the life force, the prana in your hand and your hand chakras. Put your palms over your eyes and feel the energy of your palms radiate into your eyes. Feel that calming, soothing, relaxing energy. Slowly relax your hands, lower your hands. And one more time, rub your palms, developing warmth in your palms, feeling the energy in your palms. And put your palms over your eyes and feel the relaxing energy of your palms radiate into your eyes. Slowly lower your hands. Remain seated for a few moments. Breathe a few times deeply. Feel the relaxation of your eyes, relaxation of your mind. You can do this wonderful breathing exercise every day. Your eyesight will improve. You don't need to get headache. And you come to clearer and clearer insights. Lisa and Sukadev wish you a day full of...
पूर्णमत पूर्णमितं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदश्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति